Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then go to scroll down to grade 5 maths. Click on view all lessons. And the topic we're going to start with is we are working on the chapter that is addition and subtraction. And the lesson we're going to start with is estimate sums and differences of whole number. Estimate sums and differences of whole number. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Got it? So let's start with the examples. Okay, let me just clear the board, then we'll start with examples. Okay, let's start with the example. Let me write down the example. Estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 10,000 and then add. So you have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Got it? The numbers are 55,384 and 28,712. So you have to round off 55,000 to the nearest 10,000. So which 10,000 is right after 55? 60,000. Got it? So 55,384 is rounded to 60,000. Got it? Then you have 28,712. So the which next 10,000 you have right after 28,000? Yes, right after 28 you have 30,000. Got it? So just add them now. So when you add them, it make 90,000. Got it? That means the estimated sum is 90,000. Got it? You can calculate the exact sum by just adding both the numbers. So just add both the numbers and let's see which one is the uh, exact sum. Got it? So 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 and 5 13 and 1 14, 4 and 1 5 6 7 8. That means the exact sum is 84,096. That is the exact sum, and 90,000 is the estimated value. Got it? Okay, let's start with another example. Okay, let's start with the test. We can do test questions. Okay, here is the topic, and let's just still click on the test button. Okay, estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 10,000 and then adding. So you have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Got it? Let me write them down on board: 64,059 and 47,867. Okay, the numbers are 64,059 and plus 47,867. Okay, so first of all, you have to round off to the nearest 10,000. Got it? So which nearest 10,000 right after 60 is? 64 is rounded to the next nearest 10,000. It would be 60,000. Got it? Because 60 here you have 64, it is less than 65, so you can round onto 60. And then you have 47, so 47 is rounded to the nearest 50,000. Got it? Now just add them. 5 and 6 is 11, so it would be 110,000. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, okay, just select the correct option, 110,000. So the correct option is the 110,000 and then click on the OK button. Okay, estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 100 and then add. Okay, 359 plus 546. 359 and plus 546. You have to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Got it? So 3 is at the hundreds place and 5 is equal to 5. Got it? That means you have to round up. Round up means 359 is rounded to 400. Got it? And 546, the digit that is right after 100 is 4. 4 is not equal to 6. 4 is less than 6, so you have to round off to the same 100. So it would be 400 plus 500 and the answer is 900. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the 500 plus 400 is 900. So the correct option is 900. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 720,476 and 920,908. Let me write them down on board, then we'll round off to the nearest 100,000 and then add. Okay, let me write the numbers. 720,476 and plus 920,908. So this digit is at the hundreds thousand position. Got it? Right after this one you have 2. 2 is less than 5, so that means you have to round down, so it would be rounded off to 700,000. Got it? Same is the case for this one. This is at the 100,000 place, but 2 is less than 5, that means you have to round on the same digit. Got it? Just add them, so 900,000 and 700,000 equals 1,600,000. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. 1,600,000 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 1,000 and then add. So the numbers are 3,394 and plus 549. Okay, 3,394, let me write it down on board, and plus 3,394 and plus 549. So this digit is at the thousandth position. Got it? The number that is right after the thousandth position is 3. 3 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same thousand. So it would be rounded off to 3,000. Got it? And same is the case for 594. 5 is at the hundreds position and 9 is 9 is less than 10. 9 is greater than 5, sorry. You have to compare the numbers with 5. 9 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up. So 594 is then rounded off to nearest 1000 is 100,000. Got it? So when you add them, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it would be 4000. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the correct option is 4000. Okay, estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 10,000 and then add. So the numbers are 95,347 and 89,844. Let me write them down on board, then we'll solve them. Okay, the numbers are 95,347 and plus 89,844. Okay, let's just check this digit right after the 10,000 position. 5 is equal to 5. That means you have to round up. You can round off it to 100,000. Got it? Then you have 8 and 9 is less than 9 is greater than 5, not less than 5. That means you have to round on the next 10,000. So it would be 900,000. Got it? 90,000 actually. So when you add them, it makes 190,000. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? And the next one is, I think, the final test of the chapter. Yes, let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, the regular price of the desk is 815. This week it's on sale for 481 off. What is the sale price of the desk? So the original price is 814 and the off is 481 off. You need to find the price after the off. So just subtract the sale value out of the original one. Got it? So 815 and 481. 815 and so you have to subtract 815 minus 814 minus 481. Okay, just subtract them. 5 subtract 1 is 4. You cannot subtract 1 out of 8, so you have to borrow 1. It would be now 12, and here you have 7. So 12 subtract 8 is 4, and 7 subtract 4 is 3. That means the price after the discount is 344. Got it? Okay, the correct option is 344. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 10,000 and then add. That's the one we just did on board, isn't it? Okay, let me write it down on board. 64,059 64,059 and plus 47,867. Okay, so you have 64,000. So the nearest 10,000 is 60,000. Got it? And 47,867 is rounded off to 550,000. Got it? So when you add them, 6 plus 60 plus 50 is 110,000. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the statement true? 2 plus what number equals 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is, let me write it down on board, 2 plus the missing number, 2 plus the missing number equals 9 minus 5. And the options are 2 and 8. So 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 5 is 4, and then you have 2 plus the missing number. So you can use the options given. One, the first one is 2. So just make it 2 plus 2 is 4. That means the correct option is 2. That can make the statement true. Got it? The correct option is 2. The correct option is 2. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the statement true? 4 plus the missing number equals 14. And the options are 9 and 10. Let's check with the first option. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is not equal to 14. That means 9 isn't the correct option. Got it? Just look at the 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And 14 equals 14. That means the correct option is 9 plus 4. Got it? 9 plus 4 makes 13. So the correct option is 9. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So the correct option is 10 plus 4 makes 14. So it is 10. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is type the missing digit. So you have to find the missing one. They are simply adding. You can just find them by adding. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. So the missing here is 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7. That means the missing number is 7. Just select the correct option, and click on the OK button. Okay, of a blanket is the regular price of the blanket is 24.61. My cousin has a coupon for 13.70. How much will she pay for the blanket? Very good. Okay, so you have to, the original price is 24.61 and the coupon is 13.70. That means you have to subtract the coupon out of the original price. Got it? So 24.61 and subtract 24.61 and subtract 10 point and subtract 13.70 and just calculate the value. Got it? 1 minus 0 is 1. You cannot borrow 6 out of 7, so you have to borrow 1. It makes 16 here. 16 minus 7 is 9. 3 subtract 3 is 0 and 2 subtract 1 is 1. Got it? So it would be 10.91. So the correct option, select the correct option and then click on the OK button. That would be 10.91. Got it? Okay. So the next one is 5 subtract the missing number equals 4. So you are given two of the options and they are 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That means the correct option is 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next chapter. Let's start with the next chapter. If you need more help with the test and any questions, just contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, just start with the next chapter. And the next chapter is fractions and mixed numbers. Let's start with the topic that is fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, let's start with the first topic that is understanding fractions word problems. So let's start with the first topic. Understanding fractions word problems. Okay, there were 11 squirrels in a tree. Two ran away. What fractions of the squirrels ran away? Got it? So the total fractions you have is 11. Got it? And out of the 11, two of them ran away. So cheese how many how many squirrels were left with? Just write it as a fractional form. So the total outcomes are 11. So 11 minus 2 of them is just the one that ran away. So the correct option is 2 over 11. Got it? Let's just select the correct option. Let's start with the test questions. Got it? So let's start with the test. Okay, there are 8 frogs on a log. 6 hopped away. What fractions of the frogs were left? So when out of the 8, 6 hop away, how many frogs you are left with? 8 minus 6 is 2. Got it? And the total outcomes are the total frogs are 8. That means 2 out of 8 are fractions who are left. Got it? So it is 2 over 8 because 2 of them are the one who just left and Shamku's, and so it would be 2 over 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Greg and his mother went for a walk. They saw 7 dogs playing in the park. Two of the dogs saw were brown, but fractions of the dog were brown. So the total dogs are 7. And out of the 7, how many of them are brown? Just 2 of them are brown. Got it? So the fraction is 2 over 7. Got it? So the correct option is 2 by 7. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 students went to the library together. 5 of them checked out books. What fraction of the students checked out books? So the total students are 9. And out of the 9, how many of them checked out books? 5. So the correct option is 5 over 9. Got it? So it is 5 over 9. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Raid made 5 hamburgers during a barbecue with his friend. He put mayonnaise on 2 of the hamburgers and mustard on the rest. What fractions of the hamburgers had rest? Got it? So out of the 5, 2 of them have mayonnaise. So how many of them have 2 of them have the mayonnaise. So how many of them have then barbecue? 5 minus 2 is 3, and then the fraction is 3 over 5. Got it? That is the fraction for the hamburgers had mustard. Got it? So it would be 3 over 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, there were 8 ducks on a pond. 2 flew away. What fraction of the ducks were left? So when you have total 8 and 2 of them flew away, so 8 minus 2 is, so then 8 minus 2, that means now I have left 6 of the ducks. Got it? So it would be then 6 minus 8, 6 over 8. Got it? Or either you can write the answer in the simplest form. So it would be 3 over 4. But you are not asked to write the answer in the simplest form, so it is 6 over 8. Got it? Okay, the next one is there are 3 sweaters on a rack in a departmental store. 2 of the sweater have strips. What fraction of the sweaters have strips? It would be 2 over 3. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Gabe bought two bagels for brunch last Sunday. One of the bagel had raisins. What fraction of the bagels had raisins? So the correct option is 1 divided by 2. So the correct option is 1 over 2. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Carmen made 4 lemon bars. She put powdered sugar on 3 of the lemon bars. What fraction of the lemon bars had powdered sugars? Got it? So the total are 4, and out of the 4, 3 of them have sugar. Got it? So the fraction is 3 over 4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Vincent went to a party where there were 8 guests. One of the guests got a whistle as a party favor. What fraction of the guests got a whistle? So the total guests are 8. Out of the 8, just one got whistle. So it would be the fractional answer is 1 over 8. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Sam got out 5 celery sticks for a snack. He had peanuts butter on one of them. What fraction of the celery sticks had peanut butter? So the total sticks are 5, and out of the 5, just one had a butter. So it would be then 1 over 5. Got it? So select the correct option. It would be 1 over 5, and then click on the OK button. There are 11 pieces of paper on a table, 4 blew away. What fraction of the pieces of paper were left? So 11 minus 4 is 7. That means now you have 7 papers. So it would be the correct option is 7 over 11. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So it would be 7 over 11. Got it? Okay, a restaurant chef made 7 bowls of pasta. She put extra cheese on 6 of them. What fraction of the bowl had extra cheese? So it would be 6 over 7, because the total are 7, and out of the 7, 6 of them have extra cheese, so it would be 6 over 7. Got it? That they are the ones that have cheese on them. It would be 6 over 7. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, there were 9 students in a swimming pool, 5 got out. What fraction of the students are left? So 9 minus 5 is 4. So the correct option is 4 over 9. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. And the next topic is convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, so the first example is write 10 by 8 as a mixed number in simplest form. Got it? You have to write 10 by 8 as the simplest form. So 10 by 8 is 10 over 8. Okay, first you have to see if we have a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Do we have any? So you have to find a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So the common number is 2. Let's just divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So it would be 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 4 is 10. You have to write the answer in the mixed fraction form. So just divide 5 by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. So 5 subtract 4 is 1. So the answer in the mixed fraction form is 1 whole 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next one. We write 6 whole 1 by 7 as a improper fraction. So you have to convert from proper to improper. So you have 6 over whole 1 by 7. So how can you convert the number into improper fraction? You need to do 6 times 7. You add the 1 in the answer and divide it by 7. Got it? So 6 times 7 is 42, and 42 plus 1 is, so it would be 6 times 7 is 42, and 42 plus 1 is 43 over 7. Got it? So the correct option is 43 over 7. Okay, we are on the test, not the we are on the tutorial, not the test. Let's just start with the test. Okay, write 1 whole 1 by 4 as an improper fraction. So you have to write 1 whole 1 by 4 as improper fraction. So how do we write 1 whole 1 by 4? So you need to do the whole number times denominator. So 1 times 4. You have to add this number in it and divide it by 4 again. Got it? So it would be 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 5 over 4. So it would be then 5 over 4. So it would be 5 over 4. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, write 45 by 6 as a mixed number in simplest form. So you have to write 45 over 6. Okay, first of all, you have to see if we have a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Do we have any? Think of a number that can divide 45 and 6. Yes, we have a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. It is 3. So 3 times 15 is 45, and 3 times 2 is 46. Got it? Okay, let's just divide 15 by 2. So you have to count a table of 2 until you get 17, or a number that is less than 17. So 2 times what number is 17? It would be 2 times 7 is 14 and 15 subtract 14 is 1. So the answer is this is the whole number 7 whole 1 over 2. Got it? So the correct option is 7 whole 1 over 2. So the correct option is 7 whole 1 over 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write 3 whole 3 by 10 as an improper fraction. So you have to write the answer as an improper fraction 3 whole 3 over 10. So how to convert the fraction to an improper fraction? Just multiply the whole number times the denominator. It is 3 times 10. Just add the numerator in the answer and divide it by the same denominator. Got it? So it would be 10 times 6 is, ten times 3 is 30 and 30 plus 3 is 33 over 10. Got it? So the correct option is 33 over 10. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, write 30 by 9 as a mixed number in a simplest form. Okay, let's write 30 by 9. Okay, first of all, think of a number, common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Yes, you can divide them by 3. So 3 times 10 is 30 and 3 times 3 is 9. So now you have to divide it by 3. 10 divided by 3. So 3 times what number is 10 and a number that is less than 10? So 3 times 3 is 9 and 10 subtract 9 is 1. So it would be 3 whole 1 over 3. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, write 4 over 3 as a mixed number in simplest form. So you have to write 4 over 3. Just divide 4 by 3 and write the answer. So it would be 4 and you have to divide it by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 subtract 3 is 1. So the answer is 1 whole 1 over 3. Got it? So the correct option is 1 whole 1 over 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is write 58 by 8 as a mixed number or in simplest form. So 58 over 8. Okay, think of a number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So just divide 58 by 8. So 8, count a table of 8 until you get 58 or a number that is less than 58. So 8 times 5 is 50. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. So you can go for 8 times 7 is 56. And 58 subtract 56 is 2. So the answer is 7 whole 2 over 8. Got it? Or you can divide 2 by 8 on the common denominator that is 2. So let's just divide them by 2. So it would be 7 whole 1 over 8. Sorry, 2 times 4 is 8. So it would be 7 whole 1 over 4. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 38 by 5 as a mixed fraction. 38 by 5. So 5 times 7 is 35 and 38 minus 35 is 3. So this would be the whole number. It would be 7 whole 3 over 5. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered four of the topics today. We have started from the addition and subtraction. We did the second last topic, that is estimate, sums, differences, multiplied, and division. Then then after completing the chapter, we started fraction and mixed number. So you can complete the test before the next session. So if you need more help with any of the topic, just contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Also, one more thing, if you find the session helpful for you, just click on the like video right below the, just click on the like button right below the video. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.